hadn't had time to do a video of the exhaust. Appreciate all the help from Montana Muffler. We moved the muffler from underneath the passenger rear seat to where it's supposed to be, next to the gas tank in the back, original factory positioning. And then we did of course it's a 3-inch exhaust from the Y, single back, and then we put the splitter piece and decided to go with black. So sounds a lot throatier, got a better sound. And I never would have thought of black, but the owner walked up, put the 2 tips where they are,